This is Carlos Pichardo, your home sold guarantee or I'll buy it with Cap Real Estate. Because your home may well be your largest asset, selling it is probably one of the most important decisions you will make in your life. And once you have made that decision, you'll want to sell your home for the highest price in the shortest time possible without compromising your sanity. Before you place your home on the market, here's a way to help you to be as prepared as possible. To assist home sellers, this newly released industry report is called 27 Valuable Tips that you should know to get your home sold fast and for top dollar. It tackles the important issues you need to know to make your home competitive in today's tough, aggressive marketplace. Through these 27 tips, you will discover how to protect and capitalize on your most important investment. Reduce stress, be in control of your situation, and make the best profit possible. In this report, you will discover how to avoid financial disappointment or worse, a financial disaster when selling your home. Using a common sense approach, you will get the straight facts about what can make or break the sale of your home. Click the link below to get your free special report now. Should you find that reading this report triggers any questions pertaining to your unique real estate situation and needs, please feel free to call me at 571-748-7360 for further information and advice. Of course, there's never any obligation when you call. This is Carlos Pichardo, your home sold guarantee or I'll buy it.